Hey guys, Christina Sentner here, and if we don't know each other yet, I am the founder of Social Cow, a digital marketing agency that for the past decade has been helping medical practices and businesses in various industries use marketing strategically to put themselves in front of their ideal audience and maximize their online presence as well as their profits. And I'm really excited to have been invited to do a very important webinar for the alumni of DentaSpa Seminars, as well as members of the International Academy of Facial Aesthetics, and any medical practice and their staff who wants to learn how to powerfully come back from the COVID-19 situations as you reopen your doors. This is a hot topic right now. We have been very busy with helping our clients over this time, figuring out online ways of selling, but now it's almost time to reopen doors. So we've been concentrating on creating policies and finding the right voice to mention these to patients and to relay them to patients. Especially in the aesthetics, in the medical aesthetics world, you have to be extra careful with your voice, and you don't want to be tone deaf. You want to make sure that you have a good ear to what is going on in the market. And those are some of the things that I will be talking about on this really important webinar, because I don't want for your practice to just come back. I want for it to come back better than ever and be ready for whatever comes, and be able to really establish an even deeper relationship with your patients, because it's all about feelings and emotions right now with everything that has been going on. So we'll be talking about a lot of these points in the webinar. We'll be talking about mindset of the market, how to be interacting with your team right now, how to interact with your patients. I'll even be giving out a few templates that you can use and customize for yourself to make the process a little bit quicker. And we'll definitely be talking about processes, because that's super important. So I'm excited to see you. Look out for the link to register, and look forward to seeing you there.